For the first time, we're working directly with tourism operators to try and use coral larval restoration in new areas of the Great Barrier Reef.
The tourism industry relies on these reefs, and so getting the tourism industry as participants and essentially owning the project as we go forward. Visitors coming to the Great Barrier Reef, they can actually participate in coral restoration. So it's a win-win for everybody having the tourism sector involved.
Corals are the very foundation of the reef structure, and they provide habitats for the fish and all the other organisms on the reef. Coral spawning event on the Great Barrier Reef is like an underwater snowstorm. Trillions of egg and sperm are being released from the coral colonies, and they float slowly up through the sea up to the surface, where fertilisation occurs and new larvae are developed. We then put those egg sperm bundles into larval pools and rear those larvae on the reef for about 7 days, and when they're ready to settle, we then target their release onto areas that no longer contain enough live corals, and that kick-starts the recovery of the coral community. By being on the reef, it allows us to manage the whole process at lower cost and make it more efficient, so we can scale up to larger reef areas in future.